Once an algorithm has been established, it's then implemented in a program. In MATLAB, a modular program generally consists of a script that calls user-defined functions. These are functions that the user creates as opposed to built-in functions. So in MATLAB, a modular program consists of a script that calls other functions that do the actual work. This is going to be our goal, but there's a lot that we have to learn before we can get there. For now, we're just going to be working with scripts. So far we've seen assignment statements and we've seen output statements. So for now a script can contain both of these. Now with an assignment statement, if you do not suppress the output, we can see the result of the assignment when the script is executed. This is not a great idea, however. It's much better to suppress the output from all assignment statements in scripts and then use the fprintf function to format the output instead. Okay, so let's say that we've created a silly script that doesn't really do much. There are two assignment statements and one fprintf statement. So first we have an assignment statement that's assigning to a character variable, a character, which is the exclamation point, and we're not suppressing that output. Then we're assigning to a variable random int, a random integer in the range from 1 to 100, and we are suppressing that output from that assignment statement, and then instead printing the value of the random integer using the fprintf function, so we're formatting that. The script is saved in a file called silly.m. So we typed in these 3 lines and saved them in a file called silly.m. So of course when you're in the editor you can see the statements. From the command window, the contents of the file silly.m can be displayed using the type command. So what you do is at the prompt, type and then the name of the file. Notice not the .m at the end, just type silly, and that gives you a blank line first of all, and then it shows the actual lines that are stored in the code file, the 2 assignment statements and then the fprintf, and then we get the command prompt again. So again, the type command can be used to see the contents of a code file. Now, if you actually want to execute the script, we execute the script by typing the name of the script. So not the .m again, but just the name. So at the command prompt, just typing silly is going to chug through and execute all of the statements. So the first assignment statement, we did not suppress the output, so we see the result from that we assigned to the variable exclaim, the exclamation point. And then the second assignment statement was suppressed, so we don't see the result of that assignment, but instead we printed the value of the random integer variable using an fprintf. So it prints in this format, the int is, and then the value of the random integer was apparently 82. So again, executing the script is done by just giving the name of the code file.